How to download Cuphead on your PC. If you want to play the game Cuphead and you don't know how to download it on your PC, you just have to follow these simple steps. First, you need to have Steam installed on your laptop. If you don't have it, just open your browser and search for Steam download, and this website will pop up. From here, you can install Steam on your on your PC. It will download an exe file, and from there you can install the actual application. So once you have installed the application, make sure to log into your account, or if you don't have one, just create one. And on the search bar, you just search for Cuphead, and it will show up right here at the very first. Just click on the game. If you want to know more information about the game, you can scroll down and read about the game. So it's in really old game, so in order to purchase it, you can see there are many options, like buy Cuphead. This is the original one, then it's the other version of the game, and here is another one. So in order to buy the original one, just click on here, add to cart. Now from here you can view directly and it will take you to your cart. Just make sure that it's for your account and not set as a gift. And once you do that, just click on continue to payment, and there are various methods you can pay with, like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and others right here. Just choose your payment method and you just have to click on continue. It will take you to your checkout page where you have to enter your PayPal details, or if you choose any other card like American Express, Visa card, or MasterCard, just enter your card information, then your billing information, and click on continue. Then you will just have to go to the checkout page and enter your PIN to successfully purchase the game. And your game will be added to your library right here. It will be shown on the left side of the screen. Just select the game and click on download. It will install the game on your PC, and you should be able to play the game easily. If you found this video helpful, consider hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on anything. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.